Good morning. Greetings, guys. Greeting for 1st of July, 2026. Happy New Month, everyone. Happy New Month. How you doing, Chad? How is your day? What's up, everyone? Haha. We're ready to go. And the slowly downtrending market. How is your time? Welcome, guys, in chat. Welcome, everyone. Make sure to like the video. We must hit that 180 likes, Colin. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Quickly going ahead and inviting people in all the trading communities. You can certainly do the same thing. You can certainly do the same thing. We're live. Running the giveaways. What's up, everyone? Mexico. Haha. Qualifying next round. Having a great time. Mexico is demonstrating. What's up, everyone? Welcome, guys. Good morning, good day, everyone. Good evening, Maddie. Well, there you go. Mexico is demonstrating, not playing games and not wasting time. Good morning, Dark Trader. Good morning, Jonathan. Tony Futures. Oh yeah, we're live. What's happening around the markets? Well. Volatility is strong. We've got some red foreign news today. You want to be careful with that one, right? We've got some red folder. 9 a.m. Fed Chair War speaks. 10 a.m. ISM Manufacturing PMI. This is where we are. And we're continuing trading our accounts at FundedSeat, Lucid, Savius, Tap One, all these guys. As usually. Good morning, good day. Yeah, well, for July, hopefully we can get above 500,000 for July. Got to do 100 grand for that in July, which is certainly and fairly possible. With this volatility, I would say, fair enough, 500,000. 100 grand profit in a month. If you do trade for 20 days, it's obviously $5,000 a day, right? $5,000 a day target with a such drawdown and buffer is certainly possible. It's certainly possible. So this is where we are, guys. I could actually do an experiment running $5,000 days. Good morning, Jake. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Hope you have a great time. Oh, Spain. When is it Spain playing? I guess soon, right? Spain is playing soon. I'm going to announce it soon, Jonathan. Soon will be announced. Haha. Pretty bad yesterday. Negative P&L, down about 30K. We finished down about 30K yesterday. I was waiting for the shorts to do something a little more, but never kicked in. Never kicked in. The bullishness behind a business is still impressive, guys, for me. I mean, wow, look at that one. I wanted to look into my accounts, the way they're sitting, and quickly visualize what do we have to do. Quickly look into, oh, look at that. What a 1 minute candle, guys. We have two fresh instant funding bolt from FundedSeat. FundedSeat is having a lot of the options. So currently we're having, yeah, markets only go up. And the time I've been shorting and waiting didn't work like longing and waiting. All my longs that were heavily under the water recovered by doing DCA and running basically with the market conditions, with the environment. A lot easier to be under the water with longs than under the water with shorts. Yeah. So we're having 5 accounts of instant funding bolt from FundedSeat. 5. Keep in mind they're running 55% of your next 3 purchases, Scrumbo code, then 45% on all the other. Instant funding bolt, 100K is what we're trading. No consistency and daily payout starting with the second cycle. First cycle is the classic 20% and a very good 5% target. 5% target. Very good. So I like that, guys. We've got 5 accounts of this, of 100K, ready to go. 2 that are fresh. And 3 that are not sitting in their best condition. Let me introduce you. The first one we're going to trade today is only having $370 drawdown. 370 drawdown. We're going to get started with this one. And that's not going to be... $370 drawdown. Yeah. It plays tomorrow. Yeah, good luck with that one. 370 is a hell of a space rate. Hell of a fun. Breaking today's low. Breaking today's low. Might be up for something. 370s. I'm testing a little long here. Yeah, with a stop loss tight. With a stop loss tight. No, I don't think it's a good idea. I gotta go break even soon. Yeah, I'm break even, guys. Yeah, I'm fully out here, $5. It was not a good idea, look at that. I'm glad I'm out of this. Yes, micros, 370 bucks. Nah, I'm doing micros, trying to see if I can do something from here. I'll be doing micros. He has France winning big time and easily. France with Sweden. France and Sweden, guys. You saw that. You fully saw that, right? Dipping more. Testing out a little long here. Stop loss right below the whole thing. Nah, it got touched. We're only left with less than 200 bucks drawdown. Indeed. Hard to save this account. I mean this one. It's a single. If I short this, it's gonna pump 70 points. If I long it, we're bleeding for the next 30 minutes. Exactly. You have extreme chances. You actually have the most chances. France is having the most chances for the World Cup. Highest. Gotta be careful out here with the price action. The trending line is responding perfectly. Perfectly. Testing out along here. Yeah, a drawdown is gone. The drawdown is gone. Almost gone. Yeah, it's gone. Drawdown is gone. 60 points down in the scandal. Unbelievable. On to the next one. Which is also not in its best condition. Let me verify. I mean, this is $2,000 drawdown. 2,000. This one is 2002, so it's the copy trading one. Let's do the copy trading. Yeah. This one's 2,000. These are the ones we actually made yesterday, $1,000. Yeah, I've seen that. There you go, Maddie. Things are getting degenerate. Way harder to predict under these conditions. Way harder. The very moment you touch the short, this is running up 80 points the other way. Right, so these are the markets we're trading. Fixing my green tea. I didn't have green tea during the session today, and I think that was the problem. Should have started with a green tea, right? Spain is not shining this year, indeed. Not comparable with France. Not comparable with France. Keeping the possession, but the speed is missing from Spain. And the rhythm. Badger is not here today. He is enjoying his time. In holiday vacation. Badger is vacation today. Ha ha ha. He said at some point he's going to join on chat. At some point he's going to join the chat. The downtrend is still respected here. But we're scalping long. And we're going to DC a little more here. There you go. Lovely, guys. Lovely, 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 lovely. Lovely money out here. Great profits. Look at that one. Oh, yeah. I'm re-DCing a little. We have $400 profit. $400 profit. We're copy trading. You're with me. Now I'm drinking tea, green tea from Japan, Japanese type of green tea. That's right, Badger. I only need 10 points, 15 points. 10 to 15 points is all I need. Not gonna struggle for more. 10 to 15 points will actually hit my necessarily needed calories. And we're gonna be off to a good start. We're gonna be off to a good start. All the calories we need for the day are counted here. Give me that 15 points. And we're gonna be fine. This is looking like a decent low for the moment. It looks like a decent moment. Every time a red candle appears, Shubham is coming up, telling just short it. Warsh is speaking today on good morning, good day everyone, on 9 I guess. I put it out here on 9 a.m. EST, we have it on 9 a.m. Starting by, or from, you want to hear some fireworks? Well, nasty Nasdaq is waiting for something. They believe I can get scared out. But you guys know that we're DCing a little bit here. Without any shame. We're DCing without shame. We've undercut once again. We've undercut once again. Time to see some bulls stepping in, guys. Couple of points. Again, I'm not requesting 600 points at all. I can still make money by longing a downtrending channel. You got internal and micro swing highs. Indeed, it's much better to find for a short. It's much better to go with the environment and the trend. It's much better. Yet then, you have to skip the possibilities of longs and wait for the shorts, which is something I'm not always a big fan of skipping opportunities. No big boy update yet. I'm getting that soon ready, Badger, but we lost about 30 grand yesterday. Ha ha ha. We lost about 30 grand yesterday on the big belly accounts. Had to finish the month in red. Had to give that day back, right? In order for the whole July to be green, you gotta give your last day of the month towards the bears, towards the reds. Oh yeah. I've seen that pattern. If you give your last day back to the markets, your whole next week and month is gonna be green. Oh yeah. Give some, take some. Exactly. Little balance. Oh yeah, look at that little balance on our side. Let's just push the target higher. Get out partially here. Push it even a little higher. Stop loss break even. We're just watching, guys. $700 secured. There you go. 700 secured. Celebration time. Come on. 700 copy traded. Beautiful. Oh. Boom. This is the first profitable trade of the month. Boom. It's time to deal with this downtrend somehow. Wow, look at that silly candle. That's why you gotta get exit. That's why you gotta trail. My entire profit would have disappeared and I would have been under the water. Look at that, guys. That's just insane. You want to keep accountability for that. Because this is what happens if you're not behaving. Markets will snap you. Unbelievable. FundedSeat, a lot of the great options out here with a FundedSeat. For those of you that are interested, 55%. Great options with a Lucid too, for sure. We all know about it. Oh my gosh. I guess you don't mind if we test out along from here from the 30, so $700. We only need $300 more. And I don't want to make it from shorts. No. I want to viciously fight the trend. I'm not going to be a coward. I'm out here, 963 profit, guys. There you go. Celebration time. We hit our target for today on this one's. Brought them back to $100,000 original balance. Boom. Celebration. Second round of fireworks. Calling it a day for this one's copy trading. Copy trading. Let me show you what happened. Why are we down? Let me show you. This is why we are down. Because we started trading, and let me tell you, the accounts you start on red are usually reaching payouts. Have you guys experienced that? The accounts starting on red, touching payouts afterwards, having non-stop great trading, and going for the payout. Thank you. Had to recover all that loss. green tea didn't kick in. I'm about to fall asleep. It didn't fully kicked in. Yeah, it was on live support, you know, it was on, I mean, do the math, let's look into the day. It's two accounts we're copy trading, right? So they were both in the same situation. Look at that. 3,000 is the max loss. We actually had 2,556 on the first day. So we were $450 away. $450 away. What about if these companies would give us accounts that are, you know, having a target, normal target, but just a little drawdown with way lower cost? Like this $500 drawdown challenge, $500 drawdown challenge with a normal target on 5,000. Instead of costing 400 to cost you just $50. $50 a challenge like that. $500 drawdown with a proper target as an instant funding account, of course. Staying on live support for a short period of time. Well, that's the alternative. That's the alternative. I mean, there's just two possibilities out there at the end of the day, so people get chilled. Let me lock myself out. I like this feature with Volumetrica. Daily lockout. We've made enough. We have back-to-back $1,000 days. Daily lockout on both. Daily lockout. Good morning, welcome everyone. Yeah. And now we have two fresh instant funding bolt of 100,000. I'm gonna copy trade them, guys. I'm gonna copy trade them. I'm feeling great. I got the rhythm, and we're gonna put the copy trader on. We're not gonna play games. Fresh. I gotta get to a payout from this 4 we have. We're not gonna load up another one today. We have loaded up 2, but I gotta reach to a payout with this 4. Minimum 1 payout. Minimum. Oh, good job, Quantum. Great job. This is an interesting situation here. Interesting situation here. The choppiness and the barcode is not going to last forever. Get ready for the time you can monetize it. Oh yeah. Get ready for the time you can monetize it. Thank you so much, by the way, for joining. Make sure to like the video. We're doing daily giveaways. Join our live stream as well from 8 a.m. EST time. Daily giveaways. Here's our Discord community. Not yet for the big belly. I want to take care on the FundedSeat. The big bellies are fine. We got to trade the other 3. Right? We got 2 big belly, but the other 3 are the big deal. Because I want to have... By next week, I want to have 5 accounts for Lucid unpowed. By next week. 2 of them are secured. Two of them are looking great. Exactly. I also like that. U-shaped recoveries. Oh yeah. How to fill up the form and formula. Here's the form. Welcome guys, welcome MG, welcome Space Jam. Good to have you on board, Jonathan. 12 AC, 7 money back. What platform? FundedSeat Prop Firm with volumetric trading. DX feed, deep charts, deep charts. Deep charts. Now, Trade C is not good. Is not good. You better grab your deep charts. This is the way it works. Integrated copy trader reacts really well to everything. This is the way we're trading here. $15-minute is ugly. And it has space downwards. 15-minute. If I show you the 1 hour representation, then we're having a nice demand zone. Demand zone is heading here, guys. This is the place for demand zone right below today's low, so you should not forget about it. Right around the 200s. Right around the 200s. Do not miss that. Do not dare to miss that. Oh, CyberPie. Good job, 7 money back. Good job. Best of luck. Very likely, quantum, exactly, very likely. That's why I told everyone to avoid it until we've got better days, which I'll let you know. But for the moment, YRM is to be fully avoided. It's a kind of avoidable. It has to be avoided. Right? They got to come out with a message officially and clear the whole thing. One way or the other. One way or the other. Sales are not going to come in anymore. They're not coming in, right? So our community, and I see that, right? Our community is no longer accumulating, is no longer grabbing. No. So we have a demand zone here, slightly lower than we're sitting right now, therefore I'm kind of watching. Reshorting this, guys. Reshorting it. Oh yeah. Copy trading, reshorting. And we're going for the $1,000 target on the first day for our fresh instant funding bolt. Buongiorno, good day. They have payout issues. Extremely slow on payouts. Unacceptable. Unacceptable. Oh, can we establish that supply for a continuation? How does this trade look for you guys? How does it look like? Break that 80s. And then I'm waiting for you. Come on. Waiting around 67, not a big deal at all. You've been doing that for the past 30 minutes. Suddenly, as soon as I want to continue the pattern, are you gonna stop it? Ciao. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful stop loss and break even. Let's do that $1,000. It's not hard making $1,000 from micros. You guys see that? Few points. Ha ha ha. Oh my gosh, we're so close to our break even. We're so... Yeah. Yeah, I'm moving my trailing there. I'm moving my trailing there. I'm moving my trailing there. Yes, there you go. We touch it. 999 on the fresh accounts. Instant funding. 999. Oh yeah. Lovely. Lovely execution. Oh, oh, oh. Boom. You gotta keep up the energy, guys. Celebration all around the corner. Celebration. Run. Boom. You saw the Norways? How are the Norways doing, guys? How are the Norway fans? How are they doing it? Vroom. 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 Ha ha ha. Cheer. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Oh my god. I'm about to do like the Norway fans. Vroom. Ha ha ha. For some reason, I've been reading something else, Badger. I've been reading Let's Celebrate by Smashing the Keyboard. Probably the reflex, right? He be the drummer. Norway, Brazil. Brazil is not going to win, right? Are they? Nah. Brazil is not going to win. As long as Norway will play a little better than they did last time. Muscle reflex kicks in. I've seen the first part of the sentence. Let's celebrate by smashing. What you do when you say smash it, you always do smash. As a trader, that is a genuine muscle reaction. Muscle, right? Reflex. Smashing, when you say smashing, smash potatoes, you don't do smash potatoes as a trader, you do smash keyboards. And that's what you get for dinner. Haha. Scrambo's on fire, hitting some lovely profits. So all the 4 accounts on FundedSeat that we've got instant funded had a lovely $1,000 day, which is their target because of the 20% on the 5,000 target. 5% guys for instant funded on end of the day drawdown is good. Savius is running 5% with a hard breach on the daily loss. Not the same thing. Not the same thing. Obviously, the max loss is much bigger, and there's different accounts, and there's advantages over there too for Savius. Let me share with you, by the way, $6,000 drawdown. It's a different journey. Plus, the price is $270, $280, $290. $6,000 drawdown for less than $300 or what is it? Or Savius. If you're part of our community, you can take advantage of these prices. Oh. We're on fire today. 1st of July, it's kind of normal. You gotta finish your month. The last day has to be red. It always has to be red. And then the markets give you the whole next month. Let me just bring out Quantower. I'm so hungry trading those, not the big belly for the moment. We haven't lost them, guys. I'm gonna show. We're not hiding the big belly accounts that are there, but I want to get the other 3 to a great level for the payout. Been hunting this 5 payouts for quite some time. Last time we cashed out from 4. But the next week I'm gonna fully cash out something. Yeah, sometimes a soft breach hurts bad enough. Yeah. it's not going to leave you too much of drawdown space. But look at that. For us, it was enough, Fred. We only had for this one. Look at that. This is a very, very interesting example, guys. Look at this account. $3,000 max loss. And this is what happened with it. And I'm going to ask you a question. If my daily loss limit of 2,500 enforced by the company, not by me, enforced by the company, would that been there? What do you think would happen on that day for me? You think I would have stopped at 2,500, or I would have tried to recover and probably lost it? Tell me, guys, what do you think? What do you think? I don't think about myself, I would have stopped at 2,500 on that day. I think I would have lost the account. It would have been a donation back to the markets, so you guys can nicely get paid. Depends on how many green teas. I think that's the right answer from PG Contract. Celebration out there for the right answer. Just like for the... You guys remember that You Want to Be a Millionaire? There was a television show, right? Pretty much all around the world with a millionaire on that 14 questions, or what was it? PG Contract advanced the first level by that response. You want to be a millionaire, or what was it? I remember. I do remember. You were having 4 different choices. 4 different options. You were having call a friend. You were having the audience responses, right? You were having this kind of features. Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, or what was it? Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? There you go. Ha ha ha. Did you guys participate into that? Or were you on the call? 50-50 as well. For Savius, you have to pay monthly data fee for the second month, if you still have active accounts, for the second month. So if you're buying today, you don't pay anything for July. You trade your whole July without paying anything. First month is free data fee for Savius, first month. Starting by second month, you gotta pay as long as you have active. If you don't have active and you buy fresh ones, your fresh ones will also benefit of free data fee. Any fresh account purchased from a situation of not having, from that position of not having, any fresh purchased is benefiting. Phone a friend, 50-50 an audience. You call Scramble, Scramble is dropping you the results. I only need $450 drawdown, look at that, and we're fully recovering. Oh my gosh. Call your chat GPT. Oh, the big bell is here, by the way. It didn't run. It's here. You know, we've actually lost some of our belly. That's right. It's summer. It's hot. You can't have that much of food. It's a little down. But this is usual. As we go into winter, we're going to accumulate. Like the big bear. Accumulate. Accumulate. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. Oh my gosh. You know, during the summers, it's not easy keeping up with the bellies. Look at that. That's why I have active accounts, yes. I like them all. We've been trading Savius for many, many months. Kate. Not an issue. It's just about their daily max loss. Daily max loss. A hard breach. You want to go use a stop loss by yourself and avoid the daily loss limit. You got to avoid it. ChatGPT is not helping. Well, I heard if you say ChatGPT to work for you, it actually works nicely. Exactly, purple ninja facts. Where would I put my stop loss? On the 150,000 for Savius at 1,500. I would leave 500 bucks. 500 bucks difference between the max loss limit they say, which is 2,000, and my 1,500. Yeah, there's a lot of the people still trading with tap on the futures. Yeah. This is not looking too exciting in terms of price action, guys. So we're trading a 2-minute short. I'm shorting support. I'm shorting support. Watch out, Scrambo shorting support. On a funded account, second day of trading for this funded account. If you would long this support, I'm cutting half of it. Look at that. Top of the range. Much better, around the 300s, 305. Otherwise, you get in trouble. Like I'm sitting out here. Market opens quite soon, guys. I wanted to go for a continuation. Right, for a nosedive. I wanted to go for a nosedive, which is not happening. Nah. A very important lesson, guys. To forget about shorting the bottoms, longing the tops in case of a breakout. Nah. Exactly. Oh my gosh. Bad trade. The only good part is that I actually caught half of it. I'm DCing in a short here. I've DC'd in a short, guys. Bring it back to the levels they deserve. Bring it back. Bring it back, bring it back. Yes, that's right. Tap 1 is having zero tolerance to that. Indeed, they saw me going short and printed a 50-point candle, 60-point candle. Unheard of for the last 30-40 minutes. Yet the very moment I did, suddenly they showed up. But I like the reaction and I like the place I've DC'd. I like that. I'm adding more to this. We're sitting on 4 minutes short. This is the Lucid, guys. I mean, you're familiar with the Lucid ones already. You're heavily familiar with this Lucid ones. Four-minute short. Oh my gosh. Reshorting from the other funded. Reshorting, baby. Ha ha ha. We'll put a stop loss break even on this one. No way they're gonna buy up here. No way. Who's buying it here, and why would you buy here, guys? Who's buying it up here? You wouldn't buy up here, right? You wouldn't. We touch our trailing. 17 bucks for the other one. I'm reshorting. Lovely. The difference is we only have a single contract right now. We're taking the profit here for this one. And we're running stop loss break even. Oh my god. Let me add another one of these seed. 2 minutes short, guys. These are all funded. And I want to trade them that serious. Because I want to go payout next week. This is a little bit oversized on 4 minutes. A little bit oversized. Look at that price action holding on this level. Who is buying? Good morning, good evening, Solitude. Welcome everyone. Who is buying up here and not leaving the markets for a free fall? Markets are always right. The house is winning, Jake. House is winning. Are you out there at the casinos? House is winning, buddy. Good day, good morning, welcome everyone. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Daily giveaways from 8 a.m. EST time. We're starting on a live stream. Trading. News heavy week. Indeed. We've got Kevin Warsh having a good chat today. We've got ISM manufacturing from 10. And we got a whole lot of the new other things coming out. All that pressure, guys. You believe this is not gonna nosedive with all that pressure and refusal, all those wicks of 1 minute looking like support. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out, because it could be fake. Watch out, because it could be fake. Oh my god. Turn on the algos and we're moving below 80s. Why are we wasting so much time here? Turn on the algos. 5 minute algo is going to start soon, guys. The 5 minute algo. Ha ha ha. 5 minute algo. Right now, look at that. Oh yeah. I'm out here. And I'm out from the other one too. Where is it? I'm out from that one too. Ha ha ha. 561 profit on this one, guys. On the second one we opened. And on the first one, it's 747. Scrambo's on fire. Prop firm's getting terrified. Let's go. We don't have losses, guys. We don't have losses. Why would I be different? Tell me. I told you we're gonna trade that serious this account. Look at that. 5-minute algo. A good winner. I've asked you, are those wicks holding around that level fake? And the answer is there. Jake told me earlier, he's long, I'm short. He's long, I'm short. Who's winning? Now, I'd like to hear a response, Jake. Good morning, welcome. We're on fire. But the props can get terrified. You can't manually trade. So you can only do ChatGPT trading. Can you? Dumping. Yeah, they were holding the price action artificially there on the 1 minute. It happens daily. Holding it without continuation is the sign. You're holding there, but you're not continuing the upside. So, what are you doing? Trapping the longs. You're holding there, not continuing. If you're holding, you have to continue. Because that's what you're holding, to continue that direction. You're not holding to stop. If you're holding to stop, you're holding for guys to hop in and hit their liquidity. If you're holding, you gotta hold to continue. You're not holding something not to continue in that direction, right, Jake? That's the thing. That's why this is fake. Oh. I don't think this level is gonna be... Oh my gosh. Market is opening in 2 minutes. Oh. I'm still shorting this one. A single contract short. Shorting the bottom once again. Stop loss break even. Do whatever you want. I'll take some of the lovely points all the way into 200s. And I'll have market opens in a minute, guys. I'm moving my trailing. So we're securing 5 points for 1 minute. It's lovely. Oh yeah. That's an absolutely lovely situation. Let's trade the big belly accounts. Let's put some stinky limit orders here. Stinky limit orders around the 90s on both big belly accounts. Yeah, so this one touched the trailing, not an issue. The big belly accounts will wait for it. Oh! They're pumping it like that, but we're not gonna get scared. Opening bell. Best of luck. Come on. Fill it up, guys. Fill it up, guys. A little lower. Push. You freaking all go. There you go. Push. 10 minis, 20 minis. Completely filled up. Oh yeah, let's make some money. There is a demand zone here, demand zone here. Here we go. Oh my gosh, $11,000 profit here. Oh yeah, beautiful, right? $11,000 profit there, guys. Easy, easy to be traded. I told you, yellow box, and then boom. $11,000 on both accounts. I'm back in longs. Yeah. I'm back in longs only from one of the accounts. We're gonna get from both. FundedSeat. Oh. Gotta chill out here. Gotta chill out here. We're due for another 11,000 bucks, guys. We're due for another 11,000 on this 2 wicks. Watch out. Watch out. Look at that. 10,000 already. 11, 13, 13,000, $24,000 in the last 2 minutes, right? Totally. Look at that, guys. But they're not supposed to dump on me. They're not supposed. They're not supposed. They're not supposed to do this. They're not supposed not to take the freaking liquidity from the upside right now. Look at that. I didn't even have time to cash out. I didn't even have time to touch anything. This is so freaking bad. And silly price action. Oh yeah. We're having a great time, thank you, buddy. Nah, look at that. You don't do this. You don't put me on 15 grand profit and you do this then. You can't be that miserable. You cannot be that miserable. You don't do this. Nah. You never do this, Nasdaq. You never do this, not to take liquidity and volatility on that upside. They want it back. Weekly VWAP all the way down to 65, so might have to digest that, guys. Might have to digest that. Might have to digest that. Might have to digest that. Haha. This is slowly dying. Slowly dying. Look at that. That's why 90% of my trades are happening a little earlier than New York session starts. Where is the strength? Totally disappeared. Yet Nothing to underestimate. No bigger mistake than underestimating the V-shaped recoveries. I can assure you, we're gonna sit in that long, no matter what. We're gonna sit in that long. This has to take the liquidity from this candle, guys, from this long red candle. There's a fair value gap there above 320s. Above 320s. So if I leave this one open for that one, 320s to be touched, we're going to have $28,000 profit. With the 11 made, that's going to be 40. 40,000 in the first day of July might be one of my targets. Yes. Yes, yes. Keep it going. Keep it going. Nah, keep it going. We're already 6,000 in profit. Keeping going. Nah, you gotta show me the strength. The only problem is that we have front run a level here that I care. Look at that. We front run the weekly VWAP, guys. We front run it. It was down on 65 and we managed to do 87. So that's the only questionable thing. Down to 65, right? I'm gonna put some a limit order long on a funded account. Good luck, Jake. Have a good time. Have a good time. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Make sure to like the video, everyone. This is getting exciting. I'm gonna leave my open like this. My 1 minute contract is gonna remain like this here, guys. Thank you, appreciate it. And I'll be right back in 2 minutes. I will be right back in 2 minutes. The big belly accounts are long. 2 funded accounts gap to their targets today on Lucid. The third one is having 1 limit order long waiting around 66. On FundedSeat, 4 accounts touched $1,000 target. So I think we're on the right page. We're on the right page for the moment. This is very likely going to get front run. So we're gonna leave you on that one, guys. I'll be back in 2 minutes. I like that, guys. I like that. I like that. Oh. I like that, guys. Oh, yeah. Not an issue here. Not an issue. Oh. Green tea is heavy. I got you here, Chad. I got you here, markets. Are we going for that 65? I got my limit order there. No, probably we're not going for that 65. Huh. So I'm longing it here for this one. Longing it for this one too. And longing it for this one too. These are the other funded accounts. Not seeking to do anything crazy here. Just a couple of bucks. I'm out on this one. I'm out on the other. The entry for this boy is a little high. Gotta wait. I'm out here. Yeah. Lovely. So we have 1,120. $687. 326. Those are the 3 funded, and then the 2 big belly. The 2 big belly accounts. Yeah. Gold is running big time, guys. Gold is running. Becoming unstoppable. Market's gonna run too. Scramble is not gonna exit out of this longs. Hey Zil, great to have you onboarded. Welcome everyone. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. We're gonna leave this one open. Yeah. Let's just imagine we're in a short. And we cannot exit. This way the market is going to... We don't exit. Because we're not disciplined. And we're going to ride this one all the way up. No trailing for the moment. I have 3 funded from yesterday. Fresh funded from yesterday. 3 fresh funded from yesterday. So we have 5 totally. Rip it, guys. Come on. We have totally 5 funded, the 2 big belly and 3 that are fresh. Second day, we traded them today, made profits yesterday and today. And I'm looking forward to having my payout next week, hopefully, from all the 5. This is an account that I still want to trade, and I'm longing it. I'd like to do some more money on this one. Yeah, I'm going for the longs, guys. It's just about the longs for me here. Could be wrong. But I've had enough losing from shorts in all this context. Let me leave for my runners. Let me leave on my runners a few hours. You know that. We're going to leave for the runners a few hours. And stop pretending market takes it away. It's not. Markets are happy to give as long as you're positioned. Let it print, guys. Let it print. Stop loss break even on this one. This is a funded account. And I'm going to be very happy if we are banking about $2,000. Let's go. Look at a big belly having $7,000 profit. That's really capable. 9,000. The big belly is really capable, guys. Haha. Keep it running. $10,000 profit for the big belly. For this one, I'm going to trail here. 219, we're trailing. Trading 101. You don't need courses. Rip it. Exiting here basically for this one totally 1,473 second day of trading. We're all to 152. Absolutely lovely. And then the big belly accounts are having a great time here. They're not missing a pie. We're up more than 20 grand totally today. But this is not going to stop, right? I told you, I'm going to exit once we cross 320s. We got to cross 320s. I'm not exiting without crossing 320s. I do sell half, yes. It's not never, but I do sell half, yeah. We only had a contract there, though, so... But it happens, we cut half. Yeah, it happens. As soon as we have stronger sizing, we used to go cutting half on stronger sizing. This is still moving, guys. It's still moving. Yeah, still moving. This is the pattern we have seen for the last year. This one. Plus, on top of that, we have a very, very strong demand zone from the place we're running. Right? So from the 100s, it's just that we had that weekly VWAP sitting on 60s and it has not been touched. But at the end of the day, you don't always have to touch all these meaningful levels that you got. Now, you can't pretend if a level is not touched, markets cannot do their job. You can't pretend that. The liquidity game is a little bit different. I'm trading the 2 big belly accounts right now from Lucid+. Lucid+, 150,000 accounts. What do you mean, why? Nice. It recovers quantum. If you're having the right sizing, you can recover. Yeah. Right sizing gives you the possibilities for that. Oh, Lucid+ is no consistency on the funded stage, 50% consistency on the evaluation, maximum 5 funded. No payout target. You can do copy trading, payout comes out in a few minutes, payout every 5 days. It's extremely good. Extremely good. Lucid+. You can grab yours right there. Yeah, we've got ISM manufacturing. If you look into the hourly candle, guys, what's happening here is just nuts. Look at that hourly. I don't know, but they might do it. I don't have the guarantee, but they might do it, yes. Yes, power of entertainment. It's very likely they do it, because the current promotion expires on the 3rd. So it expires on the 3rd for a reason. Usually, a different promotion comes, not an extension. But again, it's no guarantee. We'll have to see. It expires on the 3rd, the current Lucid promotion, and I'll let you know, guys, what's going to happen. Sizing gives you a good chance to recover. You guys can see it on my portfolio. A good sizing keeps you in the business, not only for a longer period of time, but also it helps. I mean, it keeps you in the business even when trading and having a wrong entry. That's the thing. Sizing can keep all that money in your pockets even when having a wrong entry. Yeah, we got news. Red folder news. Sizing needs to be applied basically to the max drawdown you have. Right? So the minis discussion is a joke. If you're losing out money with micros, then what about minis? What's the point of minis? I think they're printing a lot of money for these companies, minis. Most of the accounts are lost. Way faster on minis, way more accounts. I think these prop firm companies are making their most money from minis, not from micros. From accounts that are traded under minis. Oh yeah. So with any account model, you can actually do micros. Think about doing 150,000 with 4,500 drawdown or 6,000 drawdown with micros. I do trade personal accounts in the crypto space since 2014, swing trading and investments, but not day trading. Yeah, I heard about them. Not on my list for the moment. Not on my list. We got great choices on Lucid on the FundedSeat. And we're going to have another company integrated soon. News coming out with YRM services. We're out here in our long. We haven't cut it, guys. We haven't cut it. We're going to put a limit order to the place I told you. 320s. Beautiful, beautiful. Keep it running. We're $20,000 profit in this one. $20,000, not selling anything. We're 22, 23. We're not selling anything yet. There is a supply here coming in. Yet I'm expecting to smash that and go for the 320s. Let's see. Let's see, can we go for the 320s? Or do I have to... Lovely. That's a lovely candle. Are we still having power for more? You know I'm gonna cut half soon. If we break below the previous candle, I'm cutting half of it. Lovely. We didn't. If we break below the previous candle, I'm cutting half. The previous body. Yeah, I'm cutting half there. Cutting half from the other one too. We're actually at 30 grand profit on the account. The algo indicator, well, you want to see our algo here. Bouncing, touching and bouncing really well. Touching and bouncing really well. Not running the fireworks yet. Algo indicator, I'm going to show you soon, guys. I'm going to show you soon. I've DCA'd a little bit here. Even with this one, I've DCA'd stop loss break even. I've DCA'd from 5 to 9 minis. So we almost doubled. Stop loss break even. We DC'd in the bottom of that. From 5 to 9 again. We're sitting 9 minutes long. We have $20,000 secured. Realized. And we've DC'd in a passable micro bottom. Let's see. Still have about 40 points between my trailing, my profitable trailing. Oh yeah, beautiful! Let's go, guys. Let's go for another swing. We have not DC'd for no reason, don't you? Let's go. Keep up the momentum, guys. Keep up the momentum. I like this. Lucid. Might as well just fully get out here and take that 30 grand and walk away. I mean, the other side of the coin is 20 grand. So I'm actually somewhere in between right now, because the upside is representing... representing what? Representing... about 22,000 profit, so... yeah, another 10,000. We're pretty much halfway through. Halfway through. Let's stay green, guys. Oh yeah, green trading. Good day, Fred. You're back under the green day trading. Ha ha ha. Lovely, guys, lovely. Not only surviving here, but actually performing, right? I bet you like it. Yeah. When it comes down to levels, we can have about 50, even more. And you just can't give them credit every single time. There is a list. You can ask ChatGPT putting together a list of 50 levels that are daily visible and adjusted and all that stuff. So you just cannot keep track of that. Brilliant DCA, right? Brilliant DCA, Quantum. We basically sold 5 minis at the top and then bought back for... Thank you, guys. Thank you. Trading 101, this is running nicely. I could actually go for a higher target, but certainly, not gonna do it. First of July today. Well, I don't know. If I leave this one open for the 500s or targets like that, we might go for a strong output. Not gonna trade anything off-stream, no. I only trade off-stream if there is still a trade running while about to close the stream, and then we gotta tweak and handle that, right? But other than that, I do not trade upstream. Take profit has not been touched there. We have a supply. We have a supply there. Thank you so much, guys, for your great words. Watch out, we're hunting the target, but this has been a very, very good situation here. Have a good day, Miracle. Have a good one. Thank you. Good luck, Fred. Have a good day. Thank you. Thank you. There you go. Surely, who's playing today? Who's playing today, guys? Look at that hourly movement. The hourly. We have a fair value gap here, which goes all the way up to, on the hourly, 350. So I might just target 350s. The only thing I have to do is run a strong stomach and risk appetite. It's hard holding your winners. You know that, right? England today against Republic of Congo. I think the first half is going to be difficult. But then the second half for England might be easier. Maximum discount. Always maximum discount existing for you. Always at any company maximum discount scramble. That's how we got it negotiated, buddy. Whatever is the maximum discount, it's always attached to you. At any point, on any account. Unlimited times. We're about to hit the target, guys. Ha ha ha. England. What do you guys think about it today? Good job, AD. I think Congo will try to score in the first half quickly. And then give up on a strong defense. Counter-attacking England. $40,000 profit out here. 40 grand profit. All the 5 accounts on Lucid today. Yes, USA. I think USA is going to have a big win there. Oh yeah. USA is going to go big time. I don't think they're losing. Nah, USA, I think they will score 2 goals. USA. I think they're gonna score 2 goals today. Morocco is looking great. It is certainly looking great. Bosnia might do something. If they score first. It's fun to watch with USA, exactly. Very aggressive. They're quick. They're attacking a lot. I don't like this candle, guys, here. It's not that it scares me out, but I don't like it. If someone is tweeting silly things, I gotta get out of the trade. If someone is posting silly things again, I'll gotta get out. We don't want 30, 50, 100 points crash on me. We don't want that. Oh, what a buying pressure. It is confirmed we are printing. It was an unsuccessful. Try better. You haven't scared me out. Try better. Try better, market makers. You have not scared me out. Yeah, Warsh, he's talking already. Oh, yeah. Let's just do another 100 points if he is talking. I don't like this candle, guys. Yeah. I'm putting my take profit there. Yeah, we fully grabbed it. Fully grabbed it. Celebration time, guys. Lovely. 34,500. Celebration time. 34,500 for the 1st of July. Not a joke. Not a 1st of July Fool's Day. It's not that one April's. This is real money. We've been trading it nicely. DCing nicely, mate. Good stuff. Good stuff. Beautiful. Time to kickstart those giveaways. Time to kickstart them. Give me a little break on that. Wow. Highly enjoyable celebration moment, I can tell you. Highly enjoyable. All the 5 Lucid made money today. Here's the link for the giveaway. How are we sitting, guys, with the likes and all that stuff? Did we touch our target, 180? Let me look into. No, we haven't. Alright, guys, so we have basically maximum 10 minutes to touch the target. 180 likes minimum. I'm not trading anymore today. Calling it a day. Fully calling it a day. Minimum 180 likes. 9 minutes to go. If we don't touch it, it means no giveaways today. That's our target, guys. That's our target. Alright, so let me get my connection on Savius as well. Might just trade a little more Savius in the meantime. Let's go. And you gotta be part of our Discord community. You have to be subscribed to this YouTube channel. Streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time. I like it. Gold is going heavy. Even the Bitcoin is having a good time today. More than enough for 2 hours of trading. That's right. Even BTC is having a good time today, which is quite slow during this kind of summer times. Expecting the bottom of BTC. Might be around this level, might be about below 50s. Might be around 47, 46, 48, or 60s. So you can't wait for the perfect entry. You got to DCA into your long-term stuff. So where's Savius? What is it today? Haven't paid for my subscription. Gotta pay for my subscription. Oh my gosh, for the data feed, right? Haven't paid it. It's today. It's new month. Never mind. We're gonna do that and trade tomorrow. So let's see, guys. 6 minutes. 6 minutes for the giveaway. We gotta hit minimum 180 likes. You decide if you want it or not. You decide. You decide, and you name it. I don't have the data feed activated. Gotta pay for it today, and it's gonna be ready for tomorrow. Oh yeah. No, it was a great session. $1,000 made on each account on FundedSeat. And I'm proud, I'm actually proud of this one that we recovered. We were only $450 away from the max loss. Instant funding bolt, 3,000 max loss. So 2,556 is your daily loss limit. We touched that in our first day. What an absolutely lovely way of starting, right? 450 remaining for the next day. And then we completely recovered. And this is copy traded, so we're doing 2 accounts like this. Plus the other 2 we have, let me show you, are also copy traded. We have 4. And we made 1,000 today. The target is just 5%. I mean, 5% end of the day drawdown is enjoyable. The only thing that you have to work around is your daily loss limit there. Did we touch it, guys? Yes, we touch it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Congratulations. Congratulations. Ha ha ha. Alright, so let me get out of my quant tower. No longer needing it. We no longer need it. Setting up all those things. Setting up all these things, so we need the ducks, right? We need the whale. All right, everyone. Let me think about the way we do this. Let me think about. Yes, I'm trading top on futures accounts. Elite Daily. We trade of 8. Elite Daily. Yeah, I like those. Yes, the link for the forum is here. Let's do the form, guys. So how you participate obviously should be one of your questions. Well, you know that, like the video. Participation rules. You got to be subscribed on this channel. You got to be part of our Discord community, and you have to fill up today's form. We're sharing 150,000 today. We're usually doing that daily, minimum 150 grand. And yeah, you got to guess the number, only a single choice per person. Do not guess multiple times, basically, and different numbers and all that stuff, right? You can participate each giveaway. First one, we're going to share a $25,000 instant funding end of the day drawdown from Tap1Futures for the first ranked on the duck race. And second rank will receive a $25,000 FundedSeat Flex account, right? So from two companies we're doing, Tap1Futures, Instant Funded, Funded Flex, $25,000. Wait for the numbers. Wait for the numbers. No need to rush. No need to rush. Haha. Only two choices between 0 and 1. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice, guys. Come on. Start right now. Between 0 and 1. That's it. So simple. Give me your best choice. Give me your best choice. Haha. Give me your best choice, guys, between 0 and 1. All right, stop right there. No more guesses, it's over. Stop right there. Beautiful. Shuffle. Have a nice spin around. Sharing two accounts in this one, keep that in mind. I think it's gonna be 0. Oh yeah, congratulations for the winners. That's not hard. Congratulations for the winners. We have 2 more giveaways. Oh yeah, that's fully confirmed. Time for the ducks. Ha ha ha. Congratulations for winners. Wow. A ton of people. 1 minute competition time, guys. 1 minute. Start right there. Best of luck. The first one is the Tap1Futures. The second one will be basically the FundedSeat. Let's go. It's just the first giveaway. We have 2 more. Good luck, guys. Good luck, everyone. Sharing basically 2 accounts in this one. $20 seconds to go. Yeah, there's a lot here. There is a lot here. Frank is leading. Frank is leading like He's swimming like Francis playing football at the World Cup. Look. Missing out. Oh, but I see something. Solitude on the second. Nitis on the first. Nitis. Congratulations. Congratulations. And Solitude. Look at that, Solitude. Ha ha ha. You got the... So Nitty's got the Tap-On Futures, Solitude, the FundedSeat. Time to verify if they filled up the form. Oh yeah. Wait for it, guys. Wait for it. Wait for it. Nitty's is out here. Congratulations. And Solitude is also here. Good job, Solitude. Congratulations, guys. Continuing with the next one. This one is going to be a $50,000. Guess what? Lucid Flex. 50 grand Lucid Flex. Did you hear that? Oh yeah. $2,000 pal. That's a money-making machine, guys. So get ready. We're going to have multiple entries, but just 2 different numbers. We're going to have the following. Yeah, I can see that sitting on 285, not touching 320s, it's stuck here. No stress for me. So watch out for the numbers. 00, 777. That's it. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. 00, 777. It's simple, guys. 00, 777. Haha. Best of luck, everyone. Double 777. Oh, look at that Nasdaq 240s. We sold way, way higher than this. Plus, I'm selling on price action behavior, guys. I mean, numerous rejections. And a indication of a potential reversal based on a comprehensive research means a very, very clear sign of exit. Shuffle, here we are. Best of luck, everyone. I'm sorry. I think that's number 7, guys. Probably he is causing this, yes. I mean, it's normal volatility. Normal. Yeah, 220s. Number 7, guys. Congratulations for the winners. Good job. Number 7. Number 7 for the winners. Let's go. Let me see, where are you? So number 7 for the winners. Ha ha ha. Oh yeah. A ton of players going for this 50,000. More than 100, guys. More than 100. Look at that. So let's just compete for a minute. Let's just compete for a minute. Start right there. More than 100. And let me tell you something. The first one plus the fifth will qualify second round. 50,000 Lucid flexes this one. First and fifth. Oh, Shubham, the guy who told me today continuously what to do and how to trade. Yeah, we finished today on tens of thousands by running... oh my gosh. As soon as I was, longing, he was telling me exactly the opposite. He was continuously lecturing me today exactly the opposite I was trading. So the first one and the fifth one will go second round, guys. Keep that in mind. Tom Trade is leading. Who's the fifth? LSG. LSG and Tom Trade. He thought he could actually lecture, but that's not the way things are working, right? No, 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 no. So, who's qualified? Oh yeah, Tom Trade. Let me verify. Tom Trade. Tom Trade is here. Congratulations. And then LSG. LSG is here as well. "30 seconds competition time. Rank number 10 is winning. Rank 10th is winning. Rank number 10 is winning, guys. Rank number 10. Who's Tom Trade? Tom Trade. He's also the first and the 10th. Congratulations, buddy. Congratulations on that one. Can you see your name? Look at that. Tom Trade. Congratulations, buddy. You have a 50,000 Lucid Flex. Reach out to me on Discord. Continuing with the last giveaway. 50,000 YRM. Oh, what's happening here, guys? Nasty Nasdaq. Daily VWAP. Daily VWAP here. Daily VWAP here. Acting as a strong supply. Now we're having a 80 points retracement. Is it too weird? Daily VWAP there, having numerous rejections and then pretty much printing on it, right? We're continuing, guys, with the next one. We're continuing with the next one. Oh, yeah. What do we have to do? We got to go to our wheel. We have a 50,000 YRM. Again, just 2 different choices and multiple entries. Yes, YRM is the slow pals. Yeah, very, very slow pals. And I suggested people for the moment to avoid buying it already for a few weeks. For a few weeks, I told people to avoid buying. So, watch out for the numbers. We're going to have a 7 and a double 8. Let me know your best choice, guys. You can start right now. You can start right now. A single 7 and a double 8. Let me know, guys. What are you best at? Single 788.
Alright guys, so stop right there, chat. No more guesses, it's over. Stop right there. Shuffle, and here we are. Best of luck, everyone. That's going to be number 8. Easy, simple. Congratulations for the winners. That's the number 8 for the last giveaway today. Now that's good. Congratulations for winners. Really simple one, right? Really simple one. Oh yeah. Good job, number 8 for the winners. Easy peasy. Lemon. Squeezy. Yeah, we're no longer trading YRM for some time already. And we're going to have another one coming out soon. I think so, Quantum. I think we already have the good deal set up with them, Quantum. We're very, very likely about to introduce. Yeah. Our coupon, by the way, is already working there. Oh, yeah. But I'm gonna send you everything you need, guys, very, very soon. I'll film and publish. Yeah. $91, fellas. The best rank is going to win. I can give you some great giveaways. A lot of great giveaways with that. Daily Bob is speeding up. Bob could be the winner. Appreciated. Bob is the winner. Congratulations. Did you fill up the form? Hey, Bob. Are you here? Bob O23. Yes, he is fully here. Congratulations. 50,000 YRM goes out to your pockets. This is what happens in the markets. Ho, ho, ho. Not the most entertaining chart, but let me tell you, we had an extremely good day, and probably that's the way it's going to be the whole month. Guessing. Just my 2 cents. Oh, you came in second. B-dub. Ooh. That was pretty close. Oh yeah. Thank you once again, guys. Have a lovely, peaceful day. Be careful. Be safe. And we're continuing on Discord. We're continuing tomorrow on our community on live stream daily from 8 AM EST time. Thank you once again, guys. Have a beautiful